Today, we delve into the ongoing antitrust trial against Google, brought forward by the U.S. Justice Department and a coalition of state attorneys general. This case centers on Google's dominance in the ad tech industry, particularly its control over advertising software. Recently, Google wrapped up its defense, presenting key arguments to justify their actions. The Justice Department's primary argument is that Google is abusing its control over ad technology to build a monopoly. A significant aspect of this case is Google's acquisition of DoubleClick back in 2008. The government claims that this move has led to increased ad prices and has harmed publishers. Google, on the other hand, contends that the ad tech industry is highly competitive, with major players like Facebook, Microsoft, and Amazon. To support their stance, they called upon experts like Paul Milgrom, a Nobel Prize-winning economist, who argued that Google's actions from 2013 to 2019 were not anti-competitive. Additionally, Judith Chevalier testified that Google's pricing is justifiable and aligns closely with the industry average. Section 3. Helping publishers and advertisers. Google claimed its products made the ad buying and selling process more transparent and benefited publishers. Nitish Karula, a former Google Ads leader, testified that Google wasn't aiming for dominance but responding to competition and publishers' needs. Section 4. Fighting fraud and spam. Google defended its comprehensive approach to fighting ad fraud and spam, saying that breaking up its ad unit would make it harder to combat these issues. Per Bjorky compared Google to a credit card company, suggesting that without knowing transaction details, it can't effectively prevent fraud. Section 5. Publishers and advertisers have choices. Google's defense highlighted that advertisers and publishers aren't locked into their system, and they have many other options. Sarah Stefaniou testified that advertisers could choose different tools based on their needs. Competitors like Facebook, Instagram, and smart TVs were shown to be taking market share in display ads. Conclusion. What's next? The trial is ongoing, and Judge Leonie Brinkema is expected to make a ruling by the end of the year. To wrap up, Google has defended itself using the argument of having the best product, competitive pricing, and its commitment to fighting fraud.